Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 11 mensuration chapter 11.3 exercise problems. Last class we learned about how to find out what is the formula for finding CSA of a cube. CSA of cube is 4a square. Total surface area of a cube 6a square. Then LSA of a cuboid 2 into 2L plus B into H is the formula. TSA of a cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Then next we learned about cylinder case. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Then total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r into H plus R is the formula. Last class we learned that one. Now we going to learn about the related to this question word problems. Here in this question, first question they says that two boxes are given. One is two cuboidal box is given. Cuboidal box is given there in this way. Cuboidal box is there. Measurement is given. Length is 60 centimeter. Breadth is 40 centimeter. Height given as 50 centimeter. Next one more box, cuboidal box is given there. Their measurement also they gave. Measurement is length is 50 centimeter. Breadth also 50 centimeter. Height also become 50 centimeter. Then which box is lesser amount of material required to make? That is the question. Which box have required a lesser amount of material to make this box? That is the meaning of this question. So what we want to find out? Total surface TSA. Total surface area of a cuboid formula apply and find out the values. First box case. How to find out TSA of a cuboid form? Why? Because fully covered part only. So TSA of a cuboid formula applied, we know that 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is the formula. Value substitute. Here L represent as 60 centimeter. Breadth represent as 40 centimeter. Height represent as 50 centimeter in the first case. So value substitute 2 into L place 60 into breadth place 40 plus again breadth into height 40 into 50 plus height into length. So 50 into 60. Close the bracket. Values are 2 into inside bracket 6 4s are how much? 24. Total multiplicand and multiplier place how many zeros? 2 zeros. Plus 4 5s are how much? 20. Multiplicand and multiplier place how many zeros? 2 zeros. Again 5 into 6 become 30. Multiplicand and multiplier place 2 zeros. That means 0 substitute in the answer. So again 2 into inside bracket first we add 24,000 2,400 is added with 2,000 and 3,000. Adding time it to become how much? 7,400. Inside bracket adding time is 7,400. Then that value is multiplied with outside. To outside one 2 is the formula. So multiply 2 4s are how much? 8. 2 into 7 become 14. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So what is the answer? Answer become here 14,800. Unit to become length, breadth, height given as in centimeter. Our unit to become square centimeter or centimeter square. So first box case in 14,800 is the total surface area of the first box. Same way second box case to find out. Second box heading right. Same method. Second box. Here second box I write here. Second box heading right. In second box, length is how much? 50. Breadth also how much? 50. Breadth also 50 centimeter. Height also become 50 centimeter. There also full entire area we need. So total surface TSA of second box. Second box also in cuboid shape. So we can apply 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is the formula. Then value substitute and calculation doing. Value substitute in the 2 into length is 50, breadth also 50. Plus breadth into height, breadth also 50, height also 50. Plus height into length means 50 into 50. Close the bracket. Then 2 into 5 5s are how much inside bracket calculation. Then 2 zeros. 5 5s are 25. Multiplicand and multiplier 2 zeros. Again 5 5s are 25. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Here also 5 5s are 25. Multiplicand and multiplier place 2 zeros are substitute. Then 2 is multiplied with inside number 2500 is added with 3 times. So adding time here how much will coming in? 4 6 7000. There also 7500. Then multiply 7 into 2 into 7 comes to be 10. 2 into 7 become 40. 14 plus 1 50. Then how many zeros? So what is the answer? 15,000. 15,000 is the answer. Unit given as in centimeter. That's why area represent as a centimeter. Then check it which area is more. First box or a second box area. Second box area is more. Question asking which box has lesser material required. So what we can say, first box have lesser area. That's why first box required lesser material required for making that first box. I hope you can understand this problem. Then next we go through second sum. In that second sum, one cuboid shape suitcase is there. Suitcase, you know, here suitcase is the cuboid shape is the suitcase. Suitcase is in cuboid shape. Cuboid shape suitcase, such type 100 suitcase are there. Suitcase are there. Such type 100 suitcase are there. One suitcase measurement is given. The length is 80 centimeter. Breadth represent as 48 centimeter and height represent as 24 centimeter. One suitcase measurement length, breadth, height is given. Such type suitcase cover 100 suitcase covering how much length tarpaulin required. That is the question. The suitcase 100 suitcase covering how much length of tarpaulin required. That is the second question they asking. Tarpaulin here width also given. Tarpaulin width is given as a 96 centimeter is the tarpaulin width. Then first what we want to do? First we want to find out one suitcase area, total surface area, TSA of suitcase. Suitcase is in which shape? Cuboid shape. That's why cuboid TSA formula apply and find out the TSA of one suitcase. Then such type how many suitcase are there? 100. So second step multiplied the one suitcase area multiplied with 100 suitcase. So we get 100 suitcase area. Then for a 1 meter area of a 1 meter length tarpaulin case find out. Area means we know tarpaulin is in which shape? Rectangle shape. Length into breadth. We consider length as a 1 meter, but breadth is in which way? Centimeter. Remaining suitcase case also centimeter. That's why 1 meter converted to centimeter. 100 centimeter. 100 into length into breadth 96 centimeter. Multiply then a tarpaulin length will get that 1 meter tarpaulin length will area will getting then afterwards length of the tarpaulin. How to find out? 100 suitcase area is divided with the area of the tarpaulin. Then we get how much length of tarpaulin required for cover this 100 suitcase. So first we started with the TSA of a suitcase. A means one suitcase. What is the formula? Suitcase is in which shape? Cuboid shape. That's why TSA of cuboid formula. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is the formula. Then here value substitute. 2 into length place length is 80. Breadth is 48 plus breadth is 48, height is 24 into height is 24 into length is 80. Value substitute and calculate 2 into then 48 into 8 multiply 3840 plus 48 into 24 comes to multi 1152 plus 24 into 8 comes to be 1820. Then add that numbers. 3840 is added with 1150 is added with 1920. Inside bracket add 5 plus 9, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 11, then 10, 18, 19, then 4, 5, 6. So 2 is multiplied with 6912. Multiplying 10, 2 2s are 4, 2, 18, 13. So answer become 13824. That means 13,824 area represent as a square unit. That's why centimeter square is the area of a one suitcase. Such time how many suitcases are there? 100 suitcases are there. So next step find out TSA of 100 suitcase. TSA of 100. So how to find out? One suitcase area is how much? Multiply with 100. So 13,824 is multiply with 100. Area represent as a centimeter square. Lastly we can cancel or multiply and write anyhow. Then next here next we want to write area of next tarpaulin case. Area of 1 meter tarpaulin, 1 meter of tarpaulin case. Tarpaulin is in which shape? Tarpaulin is in the shape of a rectangle. So length into breadth. But 1 meter we convert it to centimeter means how much centimeter? 100. So 100 into breadth of the tarpaulin is how much they given? 96. So answer become how much? 9,600 is the answer. So answer is 9,600. Any number multiply with 100, same number write and put 2 zeros. Then question what they ask to find out? Find out the how much length of tarpaulin required for covering this 100 suitcase. So we can write it as tarpaulin. We can write as tarpaulin required for cover. Tarpaulin required for cover. Required to cover 100 suitcase. 100 suitcase is equal to area of 100 suitcase divided with area of tarpaulin. Area of tarpaulin is equal to here 100 suitcase area because how much? This is the answer. 13,824 is multiplied with 100. So 13,824 into 100 divided by area of a tarpaulin is 9,600. See, 2 zeros easy to cancel. This part cancel. Cancelling which table 96, 1,300. Which table use to cancel? 12 table. Just check it. 12 table is it possible to cancel or not? 12 table one time. 12 subtract. Then next number 18. 12 table 18 not there. One time. How much is there? 12 times. Then again divided it's 6. Then next number 62. 12 table 62 not there. 5 times 60. Again 2. Next place number 24. 12 table 24 2 times. So remainder become 0. Cancelling how much? 1152 is the answer. 12 table 96. How many times? 12 8s are 96 will get in there. Again 8 table use it to cancellation possible or not. Check it. 8 table 1152 is it possible to cancel with 8. First 2 places consider. 8 table 11 not there. One time 8 is the subtraction do in time. 3 will coming in. Next number 5 bring down 35. 8 table 35 properly not there. 4 times 32. Subtract 3. Again next number bring down 32. 8 table 32 4 times. So subtraction do it. So what is the answer? How much meter required? How much meter tarpaulin required for cover this 100 suitcase? 144 centimeter suitcase required for covering this 100 suitcase. That is the meaning of this question. The next question, third question. In third question, they says about third question. Here one cabinet. Cabinet means here just imagine like our cupboard. Just meaning of the cupboard. One Ruxana, one lady name is Ruxana. She want to painting this cabinet. Where she is painting here front side is painting there, back side is painting left side and right side of the that cupboard is painting but down part not painting. So which shape this one? Actually it is a cuboid shape. Cuboid case cuboid have how many faces? 6 faces are there. In that 6 faces top part also painting, left and right side part also painting. So 3 faces. Then front face 4. Here total how many faces she going to paint at the back side? Total 5 faces she painting except down part she is not painting like this. Here cuboid shape case. See in cuboid shape top that cabinet is also in shape of a cuboid shape. The top part is painting. This right side and left side part also painting. Front and back also painting. But bottom part not painting. So how much area of the painter required? That is the question. So what we want to find out? Here we want to find out first your length is given as 1 meter, breadth is given as 2 meter, height is given as 1.5. So how much all bottom of the cabinet they ask. So what we want to find out? Find out 4 walls. 4 walls we call it as LSA of a cuboid. Last class we learned 4 walls we call it as LSA of a cuboid. These 4 walls. First, second, third, fourth, four walls we call it as a LSA. And top part of the cabinet also paint means top is in which shape? A rectangle shape. Area of the rectangle. So what we want to do first? Here we want to add the LSA of the cuboid is added with the top part, that is in which shape? A rectangle shape. Area of the rectangle. They are adding time. We get how much part she were going to painting, how much area she were going to painting will getting there. So area to be paint is equal to LSA of cuboid. Cabinet is in shape of a cuboid plus area of top part is in which shape? A rectangle shape. Cuboid LSA formula 2h into L plus B is the formula, plus area of rectangle is L into B is the formula for finding a area of a rectangle. Value substitute. 2 into h value is how much? 1.5. Inside bracket L plus B. L is 1, breadth is 2. Plus length into breadth means 1 into 2. Calculate 15 2s are how much? 30 coming, but 1 decimal point is the after decimal point 1 digit. So from right to left 1 place take and put a decimal. So 3.0. Inside part 1 into 2 become how much? 3. 1 plus 2 become 3. That 3 is multiplied with outside 3. Plus 1 into 2 become 3. 2 is the answer. 1 2s are 2. Then multiply 3 3s are how much? 9 plus 2 comes to be 11. It is given as in which form? Meter. That's why area represent as 11 meter square. So how much area she want to paint? She want to paint 11 meter square area. She want to paint. How to identify? LSA of the cuboid plus area of the rectangular part. The next question. We can say that fourth question. In that fourth question, Daniel she want to paint. Daniel want paint the wall ceiling of the here she one person name is Daniel. Daniel is painting the wall and the ceiling. Ceiling and a wall were painting of a cuboid. Which shape of a cuboid heart? Length is equal to 15 meter. Breadth is given as a 10 meter. Height is given as a 7 meter. Then from each can of paint area is given. The paint 100 meter square is there of area of area. Then how many cans of paint will need to paint the room. Question says that one person wants to paint his room. Where he going to paint? The four walls. Room is in which shape actually? It is in shape of a cuboid. In cuboid shape, a cuboid has how many faces? 6 faces. In that 6 faces, where he going to put a painting? 4 walls and a ceiling. Top part of that room also paint. But floor not going to paint. Floor is not possible to paint. Where painting doing? 4 walls and a ceiling part going to painting there. Question asking how many paint can required for painting this room? How many paint can? Each paint can containing how much? 100 meter square area is the quantity is in the paint. Each paint can having a 100 meter square area. Such type how many cans are required for paint the entire this room? How many cans are required? First what we want to do? First we want to find out area of this room. Area of this room find out. Area of this room, how to find out where he going to put a painting? 4 walls and a ceiling. 4 walls we call it as a LSA. So LSA of a cuboid formula apply. Then added with the ceiling is in which shape your room once you check. Ceiling of the room is in which shape? A rectangle shape. So area of the rectangle, adding time we get how much area he want to painting will get in them. Then area of the can is given there. One can area is given how much? 100 meter square is there. So question asking number of can is. So number of can is equal to how to find the number of can required? Area of the room is how much? Divided with area of the can. We get how many can required for painting this room. So we can start here area of a hall. Find out a hall is in which shape? A cuboid shape. Then hall using time first wall is paint. Wall will represent as LSA of a cuboid plus a ceiling. Area of ceiling. Ceiling is in which shape? Ceiling is in shape of a rectangle shape. So LSA, what is the formula for finding LSA of a cuboid? 2h into L plus B. Ceiling is in which shape? A rectangle shape. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Just values. 2 in the height value is how much? 7. Then L plus B, L value is 15. Height breadth value is 10. Plus length into breadth, that is 15 into 10. Then calculation, 2 into 7 become 14 into 15 plus 10 comes to be 25. Plus 5 into 10 comes to be 150. Then multiply. 25 into 15, just we multiply. 5 4s are 20, 8, 10, 5, 2. Then 0, 5, 350. 350 is added with 150. So it will become how much? It will become 500. Area represent as in which unit? Here length, breadth, height they given as in meter. That's why we can represent as area of the hall become how much? 100 meters. So 500 meters square is the answer. Then next what they given? Paint. One paint can area is given there. Area of a paint can. A paint can is equal to, it is given in the question, 100 meter square. So such a type of how many can required for painting. So how to find out that answer? So next step we can write it as therefore number of can required paint can required is equal to area of hall divided by area of a can. That is area of hall we got it as 500. Area of a one can they given as 100 meters square. 0 0 cancel. So how many can paint required? 5 can paint required. 5 can paint required for painting this room. That is the meaning of this question. I hope you can understand this question. Remaining question we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.